Hey everyone, so we are now on our accommodation and I'm going to do a room tour. Might as well. So this is what the accommodation here looks like. Yeah, I know it's a little bit, there's no elevator, you need to go to the stairs, and it's a little bit, like scary, I guess, because there's no lights, but like this area or this kind of place is actually giving me the accommodation that we had in Lima, Peru. So yeah, oh my gosh, can you imagine? Yeah, so this is that accommodation, and I'm not sure if you can climb to the rooftop, but so we got this from the Airbnb, and the host Chen is actually nice. Oops. Oh my gosh. Right. So this is the kitchen. And it's pretty complete. Everything you need is here. They have oven, refrigerator. Oh, they don't have a stove, but I'm not sure what do you call this? What is it, Lovey? Is it air fryer or something? Where you can cook?
It's just a hot top.
A hot pot?
Hot top.
Hot top.
Yeah, it's like a frying pan.
Yeah, so you can cook here. They don't have a stove. So you can cook here, and then where is it? This one. I'm not sure how am I gonna cook the rice, but that's fine. So they have microwave, refrigerator, and a full body mirror. Is it cute? And some stuff here. This is actually his house, so there are still a lot of his things here. They also have a washer and a dryer at the same time. Oh, and also for the plants, if you're gonna stay here, you can water it. So like he cares a lot of his plants, so you can water it. And there's the shower, hot and cold shower. It's nice. So they have the toilet here, and then the living room. Yeah, there's the living room, and there's the television. It's kind of funny because the television is really literally near in front of their face. Yeah, so there's our stuff. So this one, I think he has lots of stuffs here. That's why he covered it. It also have a dedicated working space. You can use the keyboard. You can also use the monitor. And then if you will look his Airbnb listing, you would know that this one is just a new addition to his apartment, and I like it actually for the view of the building in Tel Aviv. So probably I will work there, so I can see the view. Whenever I feel stressed at work, I'll just look at there, and I'm gonna feel relaxed. So this is the bedroom. It's comfortable. It's not really that big, but I think we like it. There's another set of mirror there. Frames. I think it's okay that he likes plants so much. And yeah. If you're gonna rent this accommodation, make sure you also water this. This is already your responsibility. Nice. So yeah, that's just a quick tour of the apartment here in Tel Aviv. I'm going to post the link below for you to check it out if you wanted to rent it, if ever you're gonna visit Tel Aviv. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Bye. Stay golden.